Here we go with another boodle from TikTok. So it looks good. Inky 75. This keyboard has got a weight on it. Look at that. It is really premium built. So look at the back side. It has a mirror. I like the sound. So no toggle to switch between modes. So right now we're just gonna use wired. Whoa, okay. That's nice. Look at that.
To get our key puller, and the way it works is it's got.
If you know use Bluetooth, or you gotta switch to battery mode, and you have to do it here. So currently it's off, but this keyboard definitely feels and sound so premium.